How to reset games on Steam. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our Steam app on our PC and go to the upper left hand corner, click on Steam and select Settings. Now once you've selected on Settings, go to your Cloud section and make sure that you have enabled Steam Cloud synchronization for applications which support it. Now click on OK if everything's good. After which, go to your library. Now in your library, all you need to do is to select a game. So for me, I have selected Call of Duty. Now, the next thing is to go to this Settings button, which is our Manage, and click on it. Go to Properties, and once there's a pop-out that will open, go to Local Files. In the local files, all you need to do is to click on the Browse button. Now once you've browsed, simply select the file that you're going to delete. And that's about it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.